traction.
Oh God, no, we got it. It rained out over here, man. So right now they're still trying to dry the track. The rain has stopped. That is a good thing. So we're trying to get the track ready so we can go out here and finish drag racing, which that's what we came here for, right? But being that we're going to have some weather delays and stuff of that nature, Nate and the guys over at Sick Week, Bragging Rights, and Streetcar Takeover, they went ahead and opened up the field so we could drift, and started out putting some promotion things. We got a couple guys out here, and we're giving tons of ride-alongs to everybody that's here, so that we can still have a great morning, even though we're not drag racing. So we're knocking it out. Come on by and see us.
What's going on over here now?
TJ.
Oh shit.
TJ coming in like he's hot.
Dude, they're letting you drive these things?
Hell yeah, I'm the best driver there ever was whiz. Alright? They're god dang understand. We come around here, do big things, make them go sideways. It's raining sideways.
We're having fun in this thing, absolutely. That was pretty dark. Gonna go fast, get this one last pass in, come out here and whoop some ass on the other track. You know what I'm saying?
Whoop some ass.
Shredding tires everywhere. Hopefully just not in the, shutdown area again.
that was a fluke. One time.
One time. We'll leave it at that. Because $800 gets pricey when you do that a lot. these tires are like 60 bucks. Those tires are 400 a pop. So yeah, let's not do that.
What you doing?
You have 2 parachutes. Yes, sir.
No foot on the brake.
Yes, sir. Remember, you're not in the drift car anymore.
I will say that picture, you had more angle in the drag car than you did.
It's not a good thing. Not a good thing.
It was a once in a lifetime opportunity. Don't make it twice.
What are we doing here? Hey, maybe that's what we'll do. We'll install chutes on the drift car, and he'll drift the drift car better.
There we go. Manning bought his photo going down the track on that pass because in the background you can see the roof of your car sideways behind him. And the big plume of smoke, because I was like, oh, is that Tom in the background? He goes, yeah. He's like, that's why I bought that photo. He's like, Tom, I don't buy that and put it in the show. You can already see the whole car.
I want that, the big one. Of me whipping it.
This is hilarious.
Push car driver right here.
Yeah.
To tell you what.
I'm gonna take this thing to NASCAR next year. Be able to take less than 3 seconds to ship.
At least we got some testing on the car. Yeah.
Approaching the lanes today, we got hit with a bunch of rain. So Manning was up first, we were behind him for second run for the last qual, and then we got hit with this crazy rain situation, and now we aren't able to do our last qual, so now it's late, and we're about to start doing our runs for eliminations. So we got 5th position, Manning got 1st position, so we're gonna see how this operates, how this plays out today. Wish us some luck. What?
That's sick!
It is sick!
That was fast.
My turn. You're getting back in the sevens now.
Yeah. What's up, baby girl?
Kinsley said, so we're going to Disney World?
We got to go one more second faster. One more second faster.
Good job, baby. Good driving out there, buddy. Yes, sir. 260, baby. Come here.
It's zinged the clutch a little bit.
I know. It's all right. You drove the shit out of it.
Well, when it zinged the clutch in third, you see it shimmy? It moved. It zinged. Yeah, I drove it. I didn't let out, though. I should have probably let out.
It moved a little. If it was the clutch gave out, or if the power at top end where we don't have all the power up there, it's gone. So.
Yeah, when it hit third, it was like, what? Zing!
All right, so I need more weight on the fingers. Gotcha. When you did that burnout, you were right where I needed you. That's why I was just like, bring it back.
Cool deal. Cool deal. All right, we got to get it in there. Here we go, baby.
2 parachutes, no brakes. We've done way more than enough drifting for today. We do not need to see if there's more angle in one car than the other.
But they look kind of similar, you know?
They are identical. They are nowhere near similar. One has 2 turbos, one has 1 turbo, one has an angle kit, and one has solid rear axle. Not the same.
Hell yeah, we did that. We gonna win this bitch.
First outing went pretty damn well. We're still trying to learn this clutch with all the changes we made. So on that pass right there, it smoked the clutch. I just don't think we had enough time to cool it down. We needed more base pressure. Went 1.4, so right away, as soon as I dropped the clutch, it smoked and went right through it. When I shifted to third, it went up on the rev limiter and the car shut off and then came back on. So all the way down the track, it was just eating the clutch, so it just didn't have it in it. But we gave it a good first outing, so we're gonna go back and fix this clutch issue and give it some more time to see what we can do and go from there. But you'll be seeing us again.
officially in the semifinals. We have Manning still in it. Thomas West is out. So we have one car left in Renegade to be able to make it past the finals and win this thing. So let's make it happen. And we will go to the final round with the Manning won the matchup for the semifinals, and now he's in the finals against Rogers. So let's see how this plays out. Hopefully we get a good clean race, and we see who the victor is going to be for the stick shift class tonight. I'm not going to show detailed footage out of respect for Josh. I'm a little bit out of breath right now because I ran across the track to make sure he was good. Me and Tom both went together. Tom was a little bit ahead of me. He's physically okay. The car, not as lucky, but Josh is okay. Probably a little bit shaken up mentally, but seems to be doing pretty good so far. So I want to give you guys a heads up that that's what happened, and that's really all I'm going to mention about it. You guys saw the video. Other than that, be safe and have a good night. And for Josh, once again, I'm glad you're okay, buddy. Take it easy.